Radar is pretty quiet in our corner of the world as we get into this lunchtime hour on a Monday morning. Not much to talk about. We do have a few high, thin clouds passing through, but there has been at least a little bit of sunshine so far this morning. We are watching a little disturbance back to our west. You already see some green specks on the radar back in Arkansas and a little bit more cloud cover. As that pivots our way a little later this afternoon, it could help a couple of thunderstorms to pop up in parts of the Mid-South. Not seeing that right now as we look over downtown. We are mostly cloudy, still a little bit of blue sky out there. We're checking in at 83 degrees, but because of the humidity, it already feels like 89. And that heat and humidity is going to play a big role in our forecast for the next couple of days. We'll be in the mid to upper 80s this afternoon. As we look later into the day, by 3 or 4 o'clock, we do have that potential for some thunderstorms to develop. I think most of us are dry through at least 2 o'clock, but after that, there could be a couple of storms on the radar. These will not happen everywhere, but there's at least a chance for a few of them, starting in North Mississippi and then moving north closer to Memphis by 5 or 6 p.m., even toward Dyersburg by that point. And we could actually see a couple of thunderstorms continue into the overnight hours as well. As we get closer to midnight, still a little bit of rain showing up on the radar. So we will keep that storm chance in for tonight. Kind of the same as today, though. It will not happen everywhere, but a few storms not out of the question while you're sleeping. No severe weather expected. But if you do get caught under a storm, it could be a little heavier. We've been caught in this same routine for the last little bit, so you know the drill by now. Rain chances go down a bit Tuesday, Wednesday. I am going to watch Thursday. It looks like we could have some early morning thunderstorms on Thursday, but after that, looks like we're going to get into more of a dry weather pattern, and a dry weather pattern this time of year means a hot weather pattern. So that heat is going to be cranking up. We've got that chance of spotty storms this afternoon, but really in general, rain chances decrease over the next week. That means your temperatures will climb. Look at this heat index, folks, mid-90s through this week. But as we get to the weekend with that sunshine, that heat and that humidity, heat index values likely over 100 by the weekend. Make sure you're staying with us on ABC 24 Plus for the latest extended weather updates. You can find us on Roku, Fire TV, and Apple TV for extended weather coverage. Again, a couple of spotty storms possible this afternoon. Tomorrow, Wednesday, look mostly dry. We'll be closer to 90. We will watch Thursday for a chance of a couple of storms, but after that, I think we're dry, sunny, and hot. Friday and the weekend, mid-90s with a heat index over 100 degrees.